Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable lemony wreath bow. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to cut it long enough so once it's folded in half, it will go into my Bowdabra and I can just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. So just tuck that under there. Then I'm going to take our beautiful green Chicago ribbon, and I've already just cut these strips, and we're going to take that. Then I'm going to take our lemon and blooms ribbon, and all of these ribbons, we have the links below, and you can purchase them all at bowdabra.com. So we're going to lay in our Chicago ribbon, and this is such an easy bow to make because it's just strips. What's cool about the Chicago ribbon is it's very thick, so it lets you, it kind of gives a little bit of bulk to the ribbon. And this is just such an easy wreath bow that you can make with really any ribbon. And I'll just put my Chicago ribbon and I'm just going to shape this down this way. Push it in. And then I'm going to take, and the other thing that I like about a bow with a ribbon that's as thick as this ribbon is that it really ships very easily. So if you're making a wreath that you want to ship, you can do that so simply with this sort of ribbon. And we do have it in lots of colors. So the other thing is we have lots of new videos that we have every week. So definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And Facebook every Monday at 7 p.m. Oh, let me show you what I did. I'm talking through this. So I'm just going to fold the end of my lemons and bloom ribbon and just scrunch that down in here. And then I'm going to fold this just so that the edges are sealed away. And we'll just do that, then take my Bowdabra bow wire. So our Facebook Lives are every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Central, and 7 p.m. Eastern. So now I'll just pull this up here, pull my wire through my slip knot, hold the bow down in my Bowdabra, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and tie it off, and tie another knot. And you have this really pretty spring ribbon, spring ribbon wreath bow that was super simple to make. And now we have this super simple spring wreath bow that was so easy to make. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.